Have you ever wondered what happens if you need your money out of EverBank before the term ends? It's a question that many people ask, but not everyone knows the answer. Today, we're going to dive into the world of early withdrawal penalties at EverBank and find out exactly what you're in for. EverBank is a popular choice for many people looking to invest their money. They offer a variety of savings and investment accounts, each with its own terms and conditions. One of the most important things to understand is the early withdrawal penalty. This is the fee you'll have to pay if you withdraw your money before the end of the agreed-upon term. The basics of early withdrawal penalties. Why do they exist? Early withdrawal penalties are in place to discourage people from withdrawing their money before the end of the term. This helps the bank to maintain a steady flow of funds and avoid unexpected losses. Common penalties. There are a few common types of early withdrawal penalties. Interest forfeiture. This is the most common type of penalty. It involves losing the accrued interest on your account. Fixed fee. Some banks charge a fixed fee for early withdrawals, regardless of the amount you withdraw. Percentage of balance. In some cases, the penalty is a percentage of your account balance. EverBank's early withdrawal penalties. Specific terms. EverBank's early withdrawal penalties can vary depending on the type of account you have and the terms of your agreement. Common scenarios. Let's explore some common scenarios and the potential penalties involved. Savings accounts. Most EverBank savings accounts have early withdrawal penalties. The exact penalty will depend on the specific account and the terms of your agreement. Certificates of deposit, CDs often have strict early withdrawal penalties. These penalties can be quite high, especially for longer-term CDs. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Early withdrawals from IRAs can result in tax penalties and may also affect your eligibility for future benefits. Factors affecting early withdrawal penalties. Account type. The type of account you have will significantly impact the early withdrawal penalty. Some accounts have higher penalties than others. Term length. The length of the term you agreed to will also affect the penalty. Longer terms often have higher penalties. Market conditions. In some cases, market conditions can influence early withdrawal penalties. For example, during times of economic uncertainty, banks may impose stricter penalties. How to avoid early withdrawal penalties. Plan ahead. The best way to avoid early withdrawal penalties is to plan ahead. Make sure you understand the terms of your account and are prepared to commit to the agreed-upon term. Consider alternative options. If you need access to your money before the term ends, there may be alternative options available. For example, you could try to negotiate with the bank or consider transferring your funds to a different account. Early withdrawal penalties can be a significant financial burden. Understanding the terms of your EverBank account and planning ahead can help you avoid these penalties. If you find yourself in a situation where an early withdrawal is necessary, it's important to be aware of the potential consequences and explore your options. If you have any questions about early withdrawal penalties at EverBank or need help understanding your account terms, don't hesitate to contact their customer service team. They can provide you with specific information and guidance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.